Hello guys, so it's me Vision again and I'm with my friend Claire. So our adventure for today, we are going to Wetland Park. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more video update, and keep watching guys. See you. Yes guys, so here we are at the entrance of the park, and Wetland Park is located here at the northern part of Tinsuiwai New Territory, Hong Kong. But we have to buy a ticket to enter the visitor center worth $30. So tara guys, pili muna tayo. So the site of this wetland park was originally intended to be an ecological mitigation area to compensate for the wetland loss due to Tinsuiwai New Town development. And for more information guys, please read the description below and continue watching, and let's enjoy the wetland journey. Okay, nandito. Ay, oo, wala na, huwag na yan. Multi-function room. Anong meron? Ay, dito tayo. Ano nga meron dito sa may multi-function room? What is Firefly? Firefly? Water skater is the fast moving. Oh, yung yung mabilis na kumuha ng ano. Malaki na ano. Ano naman kaya to? Malaking leash. kamu. Maybe. So, hindi ta. Makita mo aning kita. Ito yung makita lahat kami. Parang ano ba? Nakikita ba talaga mga to? So, picture lang yata ang mga to. Ito yung may mga nest of symbol. Fruit of carpet. Ay, strawberry. May snake. May skeleton of Bersimus python. Ano guys? Princess, hindi ka mo? Ano, skeleton ng python. Ay ba? Bahay ng bee. Di ba yung itlog ng ano? Tapos, hands. Videos of animals. Uy, ano yan? Ha? Chinese pangolin?
Apa yang mga utoy dito?
Hindi ka mo. Sabalin. Pangolin ko na naman po. Anong klaseng ano yun? Anong klaseng hayop?
Ang alam ko sa utoy to.
Ay, hindi yan outer, oh. Parang ano? Parang skin ng may kaliskis. Parang ganyan. Ano naman?
Ay, ito yata yung utoy. Ito.
Ay, oo, yan, oh. Kasi yun, oh. Mayuras. Isa na yan, outer. Wala namang kaliskis yung outer. Parang ano? Parang animal.
Sa malinis
Ayan,
mo
oh.
na.
Outer yan yung outer. Yung outer?
Utoy.
Sinasabi mo. So, what is the next? The wetland journey start here. Reserve, Puy Puy Home, Swap, Cafe, Souvenir. Ganda yung mga isda, oh. Oh. Anong ginagawa ng isda? Wala si Nemo dyan. Tara sa taas guys, at alamin natin kung ano yung mga nandun. Ada Jimmy's, baka di ada Bandana Jimmy's Garden. Ayun, oh. Ano meron dun? Human culture. Ang cute na, oh, nung bahay. Nagawa nila. Bahay ng manok, ayaw ibon. Wet Wetland cinema pala dito, guys. So, the park was opened to the public on May 20, 2006. And this 61-hectare Hong Kong Wetland Park demonstrates the diversity of Hong Kong wetland ecosystem and highlight the need to conserve them, and it present an opportunity to provide an education and recreation venue with a theme on the function and values of wetland for use by local residents and overseas visitors. At ito naman ang wetland village noon na ginawang park ngayon.